Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Darajani Fidin Again, Torido as the director of Junior High School Raiba Nifida. Respectable of my teacher, respectable for my parents and my beloved family. Today I said about ketupat. Ketupat is one of Indonesia's most popular tradition, especially during the Idul Fitri holiday. Ketupat is a traditional food made from rice wrapped in coconut leaf or palm leaves. History of ketupat. Ketupat has a long and rich history. According to legend, ketupat was created by Sunan Kalijaga, one of the 9 walis who spread Islam in Java. Sunan Kalijaga created ketupat as a symbol of gratitude and unity. And the last, meaning of ketupat. Ketupat has a deep meaning. Here are some of the meanings of ketupat. Gratitude. Ketupat is a symbol of gratitude for the blessing given by Allah SWT. Unity. Ketupat is a symbol of unity and togetherness among family and community. Happiness. Ketupat is a symbol of happiness and joy. Okay, I think it's enough. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.